How to share your profile on Snapchat to WhatsApp directly. Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to share your profile on Snapchat to WhatsApp easily. So all what you have to do is go to Snapchat, go to the top right here, click on your avatar. Now on this page, all what you have to do is go to the top here and click on this icon. After you click on it, you will find many options, and here is the WhatsApp option. Click on it, click on WhatsApp and choose the person that you want to share it with, and everything will be done. Easy and fast. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching this video until the end. See you later.